Dr. Michael Osterholm, director of the Center for Infectious Disease Research and Policy at the University of Minnesota, stated before the U.S. Congress in 2019 that CWD poses a real and present danger and could potentially trigger a zombie apocalypse if it infects humans. He cited a study showing that CWD could infect human cells in laboratory conditions and that some monkeys fed CWD-infected meat developed the disease. Other researchers are more cautious but still call for vigilance and caution. Dr. Neil Cashman, a neurology professor at the University of British Columbia, said that CWD is a slow-motion bomb, and we need to closely monitor the situation and prevent further infection. He recommended that hunters avoid consuming tissues of deer and elk known to harbor CWD, such as the brain, spinal cord, eyes, spleen, tonsils, and lymph nodes, and also wear gloves and use appropriate tools when handling carcasses. But is that enough? How can we stop the spread of CWD among wild animals and protect ourselves from a potential zombie virus? Some strategies include culling infected animals, testing and disposing of carcasses, imposing restrictions on the movement and feeding of deer, as well as developing new methods for detection and prevention. However, these measures are costly, controversial, and challenging to implement, especially considering the lack of public awareness and political will. The truth is, we don't know what the future holds for CWD and its potential impact on human health. We don't know how likely it is for CWD to jump to humans and what the consequences would be if it does. There is much we don't know. So, the next time you see a deer in the woods, think twice before approaching it. It could be a zombie deer, and you could be its next victim.